Good day, everyone. Yesterday morning at 1 o'clock, an explosive device detonated on one of the shelves at Woolworths in Menlyn Park in Gauteng. And today in Bloemfontein, in Woolworths in Bloemfontein, another explosive device detonated on a shelf at 2 o'clock in the morning. Fortunately, at those hours, there aren't any customers, the stores are closed. But obviously, the staff in those stores have been severely affected. And this is a PR nightmare for Woolworths as a company. It's a proudly South African store, and many people might like or hate them. But a lot of people absolutely love to go and do their shopping at Woolies. It's a unique offering. And for explosive devices to go off anywhere in South Africa is a huge problem, especially at this time. And the timing is very suspicious. The fact that it's in two different provinces makes it more relevant. And this is the only reason why I'm telling you about this. The Hawks has been tasked to investigate what is happening. Now, the fact that it happened that time of the morning, I don't know if it was on a timer or whether it was remote detonated, but it means that people wanted to send a warning. Of what kind, we don't know at this stage. So it's best for people not to speculate. I'm not going to speculate. We need to look at evidence. And as evidence unfolds, um, we will be able to find a better picture of why these explosive devices went off. Woolworths has not said that anyone has claimed responsibility. So this is unusual for South Africa to have explosions in shops like this. Looting, stealing, yes, even vandalizing. But explosive devices going off, this hasn't happened in a very, very long time. So unusual. And with the 30th of June deadline coming up with regards to March, a lot of people being on edge with regards to that, understandably so, not knowing if it's going to go off peacefully or whether it could get out of hand, whether vigilante groups might take over and use it as an opportunity. This is just another thing that can destabilize the country and get a life of its own. So I will keep you updated as I get more information on this. Woolworths will carry on operating as per normal. The customers weren't directly affected, and the blasts weren't that big that massive damage took place, mostly just shelving as well as food products. So, people, unusual times we live in. I will keep you updated. Tell me in the comments if you have any more information, if you worked at one of these stores, if there's any more information, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks so much.